Hey guys, it's another Omegle video. Let's see who we can meet today. Put your shirt on. Hi, I'm good. How are you? Okay-ish. What's wrong? You need to be happy. You best be. I'll have to give you a slap. No, smile then. Smile. See, I saw it. I got one out of you. Boom. Why so serious though? Catch me outside. How about that? Hi. What's the weirdest face you can make? Let's friends can't talk and lie to mine. Say I together. I'm 20. I'm been a hot day. Hi. I'm 20. 22. I don't know about you. I'm feeling 22. Do you have nits? Stop itching your head. What the fuck? What the fuck are you doing? Why are you opening it with your teeth? Use your hand. You carry on doing that and it'll like squirt into your mouth. And I bet it won't taste nice. No, exactly, so stop it.
Nigga, man, all these bitches over here acting so the fucking lame, you pussy nigga. Why you acting so the fake, nigga, man? Hold up. All my niggas about to motherfucker can't smoke up, but to snort up.
For somebody like me, coming out from my league, coming out crazy, don't mind me, say what? Let's not talk tonight. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Coming out from my league, coming out from my league. Oh, I'm in love with the shape of you, and push and pull like a magnet too. My heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. There's something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Oh, 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 oh. I'm in love with your body. Oh, 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 oh. I'm in love with your body. Oh, oh, oh. I'm in love with your body. Something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Hey. Hi. What are you drinking? Oh, is it water or beer? Yeah, water. I didn't know. I was just asking. Could have been anything. You could have like pissed in the bottle for all I know. And you could be sat there like drinking your own piss. Or if you have a dog, the dog could have pissed in it. What was that, a bottle full of your wee? Because that is disgusting. No. You best be joking, because that is bleh. No. 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 Hi. El Diablo. El Diablo. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you eating? Is that soup? You got soup? Which color have your shoes or socks? My socks are black. Do you have some like foot fetish or something? Show the other. Yeah, the socks are the same. Show it. What? I can't get both my feet up. Hang on. I nearly fell over. Hey, can we talk? Sure. What do you want to talk about? That's for you. That's just for you. Okay, guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. As always, socials are in the box below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys!